It's cucumber harvest time again. I've been seeing a lot of them getting bigger. Yes, look at you. Okay, okay. Okay, let me harvest some more pickling cucumbers. I can't remember what the other brand that I sold over here, but they supposed to have been a longer type cucumber. I see more of the pickling ones are growing so far. Let's see what else I see. Look, there goes two right there. Okay, let me get you guys. Okay, any more? Okay, so I see about 4 that I can harvest today. There's another little one coming up. Oh, I saw some more. Okay, look at you. I see you. I see you. Oh, look right there. Okay, y'all come on and get a little bigger. Okay, let me go ahead and harvest these cucumbers. Look at those beautiful blooms there. Oh. The bees like this yellow color. They come over here and be getting all this pollen out of these yellow flowers. Look at this little cucumber here. He's laying down on a leaf. Okay, come on and get a little bigger for me. Oh boy, look, oh, got some in the dirt. Okay, okay, cucumber. You laying down there on the dirt there. Okay. It'll make me look hard for you guys today. Let me go on and get you out the dirt. Okay, you ain't gotta lay in the dirt no more. I'll harvest you. Now this cucumber look like the biggest one so far. Yes. Let me go ahead and cut you off and harvest you. Oh, I gotta find you. Where you fall to? Oh no. Okay, gotcha. I end up finding more cucumbers hiding underneath the leaves. I see you. Okay. Let me get you. Then I saw another one. Okay, where did I just see you at? You were hiding underneath the leaves too. Another big size one. I gotta remember where I saw you at now. Where you at? Where you at? There go another. Right there. Let you get a little bit. Okay, you go right here. Look at here. This one here looks kind of big too. Yes. Okay, let me harvest you, cucumber. Looking good. Yes, you are. They were hiding. I had to pull up leaves to find them. And let's see how many more I can find. Yeah, they really making me look down deep in here to find them. I'm finding all kind of places they're hiding. Look at this one right here. Look at you. You almost didn't get picked. Come on. Nice size. You gotta harvest your cucumbers before they turn yellow. You can't be waiting until they get bigger and bigger and then they turn yellow on you. When they turn yellow, they're not good to eat. This is a nice size. See if I can just twist it off. Let's see. I can pull you off here. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Okay. I think this may be the last one over here. The other ones are still kind of small. I let them continue to grow. Now looking good. Look at all my cucumbers that I harvest out of Big Mama's garden today. All kind of different sizes, but you're all gonna be great to eat. Yes, you are. Make pickles and have some for cucumbers in the salad. Look like I found one more hiding there. Okay. Cucumber, let me get you too.